will look at one more case, that is do while. Do while. Create new one. Do you want to create it here only? No. I want you to write it in a different place. Create a new class. Do while. Do forward slash while. Do forward slash while. There are two ways to write it. Okay. Do syntax. Do flower bracket start. Code block. Code block. And at the end flower bracket, you have to write after the flower bracket while within the brackets condition. This is how your, this is one of the interview question. Okay. While loop and do while loop. Most important interview question. And a semicolon you have to put after the condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now do the same thing. Print the same whatever you have displayed right in the previous while statement. Can you just do the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Int I is equal to 1. Do flower bracket start system dot out dot println stream on plus I plus plus I plus plus outside you are going to while I less than 6. Correct. This is what you have written.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. Run the program. If you see 1 2 3 4 5 got printed. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the difference between while and do while? Okay, that is the one of the most frequently asked interview questions for any freshers. Okay, what if by looking at the statements, right? While and do while. Okay, so if you go back to the first one, can you go to the first one, while loop program? Can you enable that? Uncomment it. Okay, so here if you see 12, line number 12, while it is checking the condition and then printing. Correct.
Yes, sir.
While loop will check the condition and then print the statements. Next, do while. Here if you see do, it is printing and then after printing at least once it is checking the condition. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That is the difference.